Well, Chet, this is my breakfast here. And eggs, and we have some bread. Alright, so what we have right now is we do have eggs here. Then, lalagyan natin siya ng salt. Okay. So, time check, it's 12 p.m. na. And nag-workout ako before ako kumain. So, ngayon kakain tayo. And our first meal will be bread and also eggs. So, yun. Laging ganun yung first meal ko. Kasi eggs just gives me energy throughout the day. So, yeah, that's how like paano ako nakapag-focus. And yun. Because like, because eggs just gives you that unlimited energy. So yeah, that's like my first choice of first meal. Sa mga taong naghanap ng first meal nila, I suggest that you ate eggs, pare. Okay, so time check. It's 8:23 and we're having a dinner right now. Kakatapos na ng class ko. So, basically, hindi na ako nakabili ng foods ko. Meron lang akong coffee and eggs ngayon. So, ayan. Ito yung dinner ko. We have eggs and bread. So, nagtitipid din kasi ako ngayon. I'm just here to document the way that I'm gonna release my brand. So, hindi kasi ako mapag-decide kung ano dun sa dalawa yung pipiliin ko na name. But, I really like the two of them. That's why I'm gonna try both of them. But yeah. Bali, I'm gonna make two babies. Kumbaga. So, sa first brand kasi na naisip ko, I wanna call it Young Maid. So, young kasi I always fantasize na yung mga individuals na, alam mo yun, yung bata pa lang sila, they're already destined to be who they are. Ayan. Kasi, ako naniniwala ako na kahit tayo, bata pa lang tayo, we are already destined to be who we are. Marami tayong mga strengths na gagamitin natin. We just have to expand and work para mas ma-improve pa natin yung mga certain skills and certain strengths na yun. So, yun yung perspective ko. Kaya young. Tapos yung made naman, I like this word na self-made. So, yeah, very explanatory. Young made, very swaggy. Alam mo yung dating niya. Tapos, it's kind of represent your idols, kumbaga. Like, not just in sports, but literally like everything, music or something. So, yun yung pinapresent ng young made. An individual who's destined to be someone else or sorry, an individual na destined for greatness, kaya young made. Yung pangalawa na naisip ko is individuals, pero Z yung S, so it's gonna represent my last name, yung Z. So individuals, I like it. So gusto ko kasi gumawa ng brand na nagre-represent ng, hindi naman yung like there's a certain niche, di ba? Kasi si young made, it's a feeling eh. Hindi siya yung dahil maganda lang pakinggan. Yes, yun yung number one, young made, very swaggy. Pero most of the time, it's a feeling eh. Like, young made feeling. It's a culture. Ganyan, it's a grind culture. It's a fashion culture, kumbaga. Tapos si individuals naman, is more of a brand na represents you. Alam mo yun? Kasi wala pang nakitang brand na nagre-represent ng sarili mo. So, and also, I like the name, individuals. Very maikli, tapos maganda din pakinggan. So ayun, yun yung una kong naisip, yung dalawang brand na yun. So I like it. Pag pinagsama mo naman siya, young made individuals. And yeah, so sa individuals naman, more of it's a brand na represents yourself. Kasi wala pang nakikitang brand na nag-represent ng sarili mo. Ganyan. It's like exclusivity with class, alam mo yun. So yeah. So, abangan nyo yun. I'm just here to document. I'm not hoping for it na maging successful. Hindi ako nag-expect na maging boom agad. Pero, that's why you gotta play the long-term game, So, ayun. Bibilin ko na yung mga materials. Yan yung mga kailangan na needed. And yeah. So, isa pang nire-represent ng Young Maid is yung parang may pagka-hip-hop siya. Alam mo yun? Very swaggy, but at the same time, very, very formal. Pero, ganyan ang sabi ko, for me, Young Maid is more of a feeling. You know, Young Maid feeling or Young Maid culture. Ganyan. So, yeah. Yung number one ano ko sa paggawa ng brand is that hindi kasi pwedeng maganda lang yung pangalan. It gotta have some sort of story, kumbaga. Hindi siya pwedeng okay, maganda na yung pangalan nito. Sige, ito na lang, ganyan. So, yun yung ano ko. Yun yung name ng brand ko, which is Young Maid. Also like, gusto kasi gumawa ng brand na, alam mo yun, yung hindi lang pinag-isipan yung pangalan. Ganyan. Just because it sounds good. Gusto ko connected lahat. So, Young Maid, very good. Ang ganda ng pangalan. Unique. Swag. I like it. And may meaning siya. Individuals, ang ganda din. Very direct to the point. Ganyan. And simple. Kumbaga.